Hello and welcome to the FOMC video preview, where the Fed are not expected to make any monetary policy changes and maintain their $85 billion per month in asset purchase. However, there are some expectations that the Fed could trim their QE program. The reason for this is recent strong economic data out of the US, with both the October and November jobs report showing jobs growth of at least 200,000 and the unemployment rate falling to 7%, which are both two key metrics the FOMC have often stated as a reason for trimming their bond purchases. Elsewhere, the GDP for Q3 on an annualised basis also came in strong, beating expectations at 3.6%, which also could be a reason for the FOMC to trim their bond buying. Further supporting tapering at this meeting is the fact that Congress has agreed on a budget deal for the next 2 years. When the Fed didn't taper in September, they cited potential fiscal issues as a reason for holding off trimming their bond purchases. So now they have agreed a budget deal. This could see the Fed more inclined to taper at this meeting. However, the debt limit is still due to be hit in March, and as yet nothing has been agreed. On the other hand, a reason for not tapering at this meeting is the recent soft inflation data out of the US, where CPI, PPI and the Fed's preferred method of inflation, the PCE, have all come in well away from that 2% figure of the Fed's target. Another potential comment from the FOMC could be a cut to the interest on excess reserves, which has been spoken about by many FOMC members. However, recently, Fed's Plosser has come out and said does not expect a major impact from an interest on excess reserves cut. So this could be maybe later down the line if the Fed do decide to taper at this meeting. But as I said, current expectations, they're for the Fed to hold off until the new year. But there are some outside bets that the Fed could taper their $85 billion per month in Treasury and mortgage-backed security purchases at this meeting. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.